Hello guys, and welcome to the world of fun! And in this video, like in my first video, we taught you guys how to make slime. So we're going to take it a step further, and we're going to make fluffy slime by using some shaving cream. So I hope you guys follow along on how to make your slime fluffy. And Bluey and Bingo, they're going to be right here. They're going to be behind the camera because I don't want them to get sticky or anything like that. And so let's get to it. And I hope you guys like and subscribe. And then I have one thing other to tell you guys after this video. So here's my slime. I made it just for this video. This is my sister's slime. I made it just for this video. So let's take it out. All you're gonna need is like your slime from the last video, or just any slime you have that you want to make fluffy. But also don't use fluffy slime that is already fluffy, because that wouldn't really work. And also you'll need a parent's supervision for this since you're using shaving cream. First I'm going to set mine down here. I'm going to like put it down, spread it. Also sometimes there's like gunk in it. My sister likes to play with it on the floor. So now we're just going to spray it in. And it got a bit over on the other side. So hold on. The shaving cream isn't working properly. So I added a little bit, but it looks like a lot. So you're just going to add a little bit, and then I'm just going to go right ahead and start mixing it. So let's get to mixing it. And shaving cream feels a lot like whipped cream. So I'm just going to spread it all over like that. See, as you can see, the slime is getting fluffier, like that. And also, I decided to make another type of slime video is because I saw that you guys like my first slime video. Look how fluffy this is, guys. So fluffy. And my sister said she likes it. Oh boy. Also remember to have a parent's supervision while you're doing this, because you don't know what your shaving cream could be made out of. So just have a parent's supervision when you're using shaving cream. Okay, so I'm just going to go right out and see all these extras. Just going to go out and just going to go all out into doing this. Otherwise, you may call this like butter slime, or like fluffy slime, or cloud slime. Oh boy, a bead fell out, a bead. Just gonna wipe the extras off of my hands. There's some extra over here of shaving cream. So this video may be short, but even if it isn't, it's supposed to be a short video. So yeah, and I was gonna do a recipe about this, but I thought that would just be too long. So I'm just using the slime that I already made. Okay, so Just gonna collect all these extra shaving cream. I like to call it whipped cream because it looks like whipped cream, but please do not put it in your mouth. Okay, just gonna go around collecting all the excess shaving cream. Let me move this back so because it got behind the camera here. Okay, got all of it. Okay. There's more here. And anyways, this doesn't really feel fluffy, so if you want, you can go all in out and add more. Because that's what I'm going to do, because I want my slime to be bubblegum fluffy. So let's add some more of this here. This. See, it looks like whipped cream. It feels like whipped cream. Like this. See? And you could add how much ever you want because technically it wouldn't change. It'll just get fluffier. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going for all in out, super fluffy. Oh, there's a bead in here. Okay, let's keep mixing this till it's super fluffy. Okay, now it's getting to be that fluffy slime. Like that, okay. So I'm just going to keep mixing it. Okay, mix. A bead. Okay, I'm just going to put my hand on it to get all the extra stuff off of it. So I'm just going to get all the excess going around. And this may cause a defect in your slime not to be that stretchy, but it's okay. Well, anyways, I think it might be stretchy or might not. Because different slimes have different types of results. So I'm not that sure if it's just mine that wouldn't be so stretchy. But as you see, I just stretched it. But you don't want to pull on it because then it's just going to break. You have to, it's like slowly. Another bead. Okay, just going to get more of that. More here. More here. Okay. Well, I don't know if you can see this, but this one is actually pink. Let's make a slime bug. I'm not the bestest at making one of these, so I'm just going to do my best. Okay. There we go. That's my slime bug. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below on what next video should we do. And please share this video. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!